Hello friends, my name is Rajendra and today we are going to learn how to install Notepad++ on a Windows system. So let's open our browser, hit enter. Now we'll be opening this download link. This leads us to the download page of Notepad++. Here you will see there are a lot of releases. We are going to download the latest version of Notepad++. Let's click on the first link as this is the latest one. Here you will get two options, downloading a 32-bit or downloading a 64-bit. My machine is a 64-bit machine, so I'll be downloading the 64-bit version. Next, click on the installer. It will start downloading Notepad++. Once the downloading is finished, we'll click on the exe file. Click on the exe file. Click on yes. It tells us to select the language. As you can see, there are a lot of language in which you can install Notepad++. I will be using English. Next, click OK. It says welcome to Notepad++ setup. Click on next. Here we will have to accept the license agreement. If you want, you can read the license. I am going to click on the I agree button. Here this thing specifies where it is going to install the Notepad++. If you want to install it in a different location, you can browse and select a location. I will be installing Notepad++ in the default location inside the program files. Now I will click next. We will have to click next again. If you want to create a shortcut, you have to check this box. Now click on the install button. As you see, my Notepad++ has been installed successfully. Click on the finish button. Now let's go to the desktop. If you see here, we have successfully downloaded Notepad++. Open it. Now you can use this as an editor. That was all in the installation part of Notepad++. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.